Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? Welcome to Valencia car show for the third time in a row. Behind us is the new CHR. This is the GR package. We're gonna check it out. There's also a red one right there. and let's check it out without further ado. Here is the new Toyota CHR. This is now their second generation and completely new design. It matches the new Prius with daytime running lights. But today we're checking the GR package. So let's come a little bit closer and check it out. Not much change, but you get some piano black details. You know, always sport packages are related to dark details on the car, I guess. So I gotta say, I really love the front nose of the new CHR, and I love the new signature that it shares with the Prius of the top daytime running lights. You can see the bottom, and you can see individual, that's 3 smaller ones and then one bigger one and a really small one. So that's like 5 together lenses inside. And you can see also the fog lights are just reflectors. We have this in piano black, although it kind of looks gray on this slide, to be honest. Then we have the unpainted black plastic, wheel arches extending around to the end. And then this is definitely gray metallic finish, piano black, grille at the bottom, air intake is there. You have the parking sensors, 360 in this case, and you have the front wide lens camera for parking. So it should be 360. Have the radar and the Toyota badge, and of course the GR badge there. Let me back up a little bit. So that looks pretty sweet. Checking it from this end. So I like the front end of the car. I also like the back end, but it is a bit, how should we put it, claustrophobic on the back, because the rear door is really short. So there's some design choices there by Toyota. Beautiful alloys. So these are, let me see if I can find on the tire. Oh, yep, they're below. So in this case we have 245 40 R20 20-inch alloys. They look beautiful, multi-spoke, diamond cut silver on black, and you have these beautiful lug nuts covers as well. So profile look at the headlights, and you can see the bonnet extending, that nose extending a little bit. Looks sporty and very edgy with the sharp lines through the body. Checking the side mirror turn signal, and you can see there's a nice sharp edge here. Also camera for 360, might be a blind spot sensor here. Apologies, it's early morning, so my voice might be a little bit rough. Okay, black roof. Actually, this is piano black, same as the side mirrors. Now just checking here, we have beautiful design of the speakers, heads-up display, another speaker in the center of the dash. Lane assist camera, light and rain sensor. Okay, here we have double laminated glass for the windshield and for the panel roof that is tinted. Shark fin antenna, little spoiler on the top, and then at the body, the taillights are finishing as a spoiler as well. Now we have a silver color, and these handles pop out. You can see driver side has a physical cylinder. The rest of the body is in black, but this is not how the doors excuse me, this is not how the doors end. So as you can see here, this is painted. Look at the rear, and it's locked. You need to unlock it from the inside. Now the back end really looks nice, and when you look at it like this, it looks like it's completely black. So from the back of the car, you might think this is a different car when you see it from the front. Beautiful LED taillights, and then you have the Toyota CHR signature inside that also illuminates. And in this case, we have, yeah, this is definitely gray compared to this. So some gray elements, and then definitely light tone of gray. Cat eyes, so this is unpainted plastic. Kind of discrete diffuser. Exhaust pipe is on the right side. We have the backing camera and then the digital mirror camera. So that's why there's two cameras and LED license plate illumination. You can actually see here reverse lights and maybe turn signals at the bottom, also LED. We have the hybrid electric vehicle badge and GR Sport package there. So let's check out the cargo space. So might be locked on this model for some reason. The car is unlocked, so let me see if there's an option to open it from the driver position. I think that was the case with the CHR in Zurich reviewed, so for some reason it won't open. Let's get on the back, see here inside. So we have good seals going around, doors go all the way down. You can push down here to lock from the inside if you have kids. You can also use this guy. So hard plastic, and hard plastic. Everything is hard plastic. There's some nice design elements around the speaker. Nice place for a bottle, power windows, but plastic on the back. I think on the front there are like soft touch materials, if I remember. So we have leather and Alcantara on the GR package and have some red contrast stitching on the headrest. Isofix, you gotta remove the plastic. And over here is the view at the back. We even have the GR carpet, but for some reason it's locked. Okay. Now this car, from the start, it was like this. A little bit dark in the back, closed. So yeah, that's the way they made it, so it is what it is. But it's a good overview in the back. Bit dark in the back. There's a blind spot here, but you do have blind spot in the mirrors. So little warning lights. And you know, it's actually not that bad on the back. They try to maximize the headspace here. So the car is not on. Let me just show the headspace. If you're here for the first time, I suggest you just watch my CHR from the Zurich Auto Show. There's more detail here, just looking at the GR package. So we have a black roof liner and we have a beautiful GR sports steering wheel. It's perforated for the most part. We have the red detail on the automatic knob. Hooks here, adjustable headrest, and adjustable seat belts. So let's get on the front. So on the front, it becomes a little bit more, how should I put it, premium. So blind spot is there. We have keyless entry. So once again, let me just, very good closing sound for this one. Okay, this one, the back door is quite light, but the front one is heavier, and this is soft. So the soft materials use soft touch padding here and here. The bottom it's hard plastic, so not bad. But the GR package here has some gray finish with the ambient lights, and we have this Alcantara and some Alcantara stitching through here, red and white, part of the GR theme. All power windows, you can lock the rear, lock and lock the car, electronically adjust the mirrors and fold them, and you have your excuse me, memory seats. Now, same design on the speaker, and for the GR we have the aluminum doorstep with the GR badge, tire pressure is there, electronic seats. So for some reason the car is, I don't know, not working. I might assume that the car is in a delivery mode, so because this hasn't been sold. So if you don't have the key, you can't operate most of the functions because they didn't switch it to car show mode. GR carpets, paddles are there. I would expect aluminum sport paddles in the GR package, but I guess they didn't option that in the Toyota team when designing the GR for this model. Bigger bolsters, beautiful leather and Alcantara, my personal favorite, and some perforated leather there. GR in the headrest. You can see the bucket seats. So we have the automatic headlights. You can open or close the rear cargo area from the driver position and open the fuel cap. And steering column is manual. View at the top. Now let's jump inside. Okay, I can't even adjust the seats. So I am a little bit tight here. So let me just show you here. It's kind of hard, but this is the point of view. And beautiful steering wheel. Now everything on the front is nice. There's soft touch materials. So, you know, they saved a little bit on the back. Not too horrible. In this car, I think you're gonna probably spend most of the time on the front. Zooming back in. So just checking the GR package. Nice leather. It's not too smooth. It has a nice grip. Perforated. It's a 3-spoke. Beautiful red and white stitching. GR badge. So no piano black. A little bit on the bottom, and I actually like this because this is black. You also looks like this almost without those. So it's pretty good. Driver eyes monitoring system, light controls, wiper controls, power button, air vents. So it's a very interesting cockpit. You have the JBL speakers and aluminum finish. Looks quite nice. Heads-up display is far, so it should be good when it's on to see it. It's nice. So look at this. This is soft. This is soft. Okay, this is hard because it's a plastic shell around the screen bezel. And this is hard. But this is soft. So it's pretty good on the front. Now, I did cover this infotainment in my other GR review. So check that one out. Now, even the hazards don't work. So just checking the package, and everything soft here underneath. It's padded. This is nice space and spacious glove compartment. So you have nice physical controls for the AC, and you have camera options, self-parking, USB-C to blanks, wireless charger. This is rubberized. New automatic. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, and brake. So this one's okay, but it's a trend now to remove this and just make it like a little short one. Cup holders. This is rubberized. EV mode, electronic parking brake, driving modes, traction off, auto hold. So this one, you press here. Then you have this cubby. There's a USB-C and a 12-volt outlet. There's a carpet beneath here. I would usually turn on the lights to show you, but this is also kind of, yeah, plastic, but they've added this textile here so it doesn't, you know, make a lot of sound, or it's pretty good. So these seats are quite comfortable, I gotta say, as well. So let me just show you headspace. I haven't adjusted because the seats are not operational at the moment, but I still have a lot of headspace. I think the seat is a bit upwards, and you know, the seats are comfortable. And you have a good overview. You can see the dash if you're sitting a bit taller, and you have nice big mirrors. So I like the CHR, despite being a little bit claustrophobic on the back. Lights are not working at the moment. I think they're LED. You have the emergency. Here you have the airbag passenger information. So this is the digital mirror. It has auto dimming. It has a few buttons here for the digital mirror. And over here you have the speaker, lights, the beauty mirror. And that's it, pretty much. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'd like to show you what's underneath the bonnet. I think we can pop that. So unfortunately, the car is not on at the moment. But you saw the GR package, the interior and the exterior looks. So let me just, in the center, a bit to the right of the badge, push to the left or in the center. And here's a 4-cylinder. I'm gonna assume this is a petrol, because I think Toyota definitely got rid of diesel engines in the past. Here's your washer fluid, and you have to use a little leg on the top if you want to keep it open. Let it drop, closes perfectly, and that was the, well, sort of quick look at the new CHR and GR package. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more from Valencia Car Show, I will cover the Corolla GR, so stay tuned. But before we finish, let's just go to the red model and check it out. So also GR package, red color. So yeah, this is definitely like a gray tone instead of black. I thought it had some paint protection film, but it is definitely gray. Beautiful GR. So I think they're unlocking the car, or maybe locking the cars. I don't know. You can see the handles pop, and this is one thing that I personally don't like on the CHR. The handles, when they retract inside it, they're very loud. Let me just see if this one can open. Oh yeah, this one works. Okay, so let me just back up here. So you can see this opens nice and tall. I'm a 2-meter tall person, or 6.6 in feet, so you can close here or close with a delay. Manually adjust the height, and then you just hold the button until you hear a beep, so it programs the height. If you have a garage that's shorter, this is a big cover, you can take it off. Excuse me once again. And that's a very nice cargo space, and there's a lot of wide space and easy to put big stuff, big suitcases inside. It's a plastic cover, 5 fingers and another 3, so that's like 1 finger is almost like 2 centimeters. Just to give you a little perspective, you have a patching kit because it's a hybrid. Okay, so this is standard cloth, and then you get this GR, like a second carpet for that. You have grocery hooks on the right, warm light, grocery hook on the left, and a huge JBL speaker if you go for the upgraded sound system. 4 tether points, and seats knocked down 60/40. So very spacious cargo space. And another view at the top. So that was the new excuse me, GR. I really like it, the back end, and you can see now here Toyota CHR illuminates. I did film one in the Zurich Auto Show. It didn't illuminate for some reason, only the taillights were illuminated. Again, these are cars on demo modes, and on this one I can see all-wheel drive E, so I'm wondering what's powering this one, because I didn't notice the badge on the other one. Might have missed it there. So just another look at this one. I think the alloys are the same. And just another look. So this one has the ambient lights working. So they're not available on the back. Okay, I'm gonna jump in this one just a moment, just to see if we can turn on the infotainment perhaps. Now we need the key, but doesn't matter. Again, I've showed it in the other model. So that's it, I'm gonna wrap it here. So I just wanted to show you that ambient lights below the screen and in the doors. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.